In this video, we will see how to create private story on Snapchat. Just open Snapchat, click on camera icon, click here. Here you can see scroll to left, tap on camera roll. You can see all your gallery picture here. Select the picture you want to share private story. I select this picture to create my private story. Just tap on, click here. Just click here on. After clicking this, you can see type on new story. Just click on new story. Go to new privacy story. Here select the friend you want to share your private story. I select this, click on create story. Just save. Go back. Here you can see privacy story is done. You can easily post your picture to private story on Snapchat. Just go back, click on profile. Here you can see you can easily create your Snapchat private story. If you like this video, share our video with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.